Welcome to Car Info, your go-to channel for the latest updates on powerful machines, high-performance vehicles, and cutting-edge engineering. If you love learning about the biggest and most advanced machines in the world, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful crawler cranes ever built, the next generation 2025 Liebherr LR 13000. Liebherr has officially unveiled this new series, and it's more advanced, more powerful, and more efficient than ever before. The Liebherr LR 13000 is already known as one of the most capable cranes in the world, but this latest version brings new innovations in lifting capacity, efficiency, and safety. With an incredible lifting capacity of 3,000 metric tons, it remains the strongest crawler crane in the Liebherr lineup. The next generation model introduces enhanced counterweight systems and an improved boom structure, allowing it to handle even heavier loads with greater stability. One of the biggest upgrades in this 2025 version is its eco-friendly design. Liebherr has integrated advanced fuel-efficient engines and hybrid power options to reduce emissions while maintaining peak performance. This means it can handle massive industrial projects while being more environmentally responsible. Another key improvement is in its mobility and assembly process. Liebherr has optimized the crane's transportability, making it easier to move between job sites. The modular design allows for quicker assembly and disassembly, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency for major construction and industrial projects. Safety is always a top priority, and the new LR 13000 features advanced control systems with real-time monitoring, ensuring maximum stability and precision. Liebherr has also introduced state-of-the-art operator assistance features, including automated load control and improved visibility from the cab, making operations safer and more user-friendly. From heavy-duty infrastructure projects to offshore lifting operations, the Liebherr LR 13000 continues to set new standards in the world of heavy machinery. Its next-generation design ensures that it remains the top choice for industries that require the strongest and most reliable lifting solutions. That's all for today's video on the new next-generation Liebherr LR 13000. What do you think about this incredible machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Info for more exciting updates on the latest machines and vehicles. See you in the next video.